TargetX was started to help colleges and universities recruit students to their institutions. Today we provide CRM solutions for about 150 colleges throughout the U.S. We hire people who have experience in the industry, whether it's technically or they've been in places like college admissions or university advancement, and we want them to collaborate with each other to come up with new ideas, new ways of working. We needed a space that provided that ability to have that collaboration, to have open space, and designed it in that way. I've known KI for many years, going back to my work at LaSalle University. So when we were looking to move, it was just the obvious choice to give them a call and say, what do you think we could do? We've got a space that we're looking to move into. Can we get some designs put together and talk about some furniture concepts?
I think the transition from our old space into this new space has been really remarkable in a lot of different ways. Part of our obligation as an employer is to try to promote health. We are happy to embrace that, and I think that we've created a really good environment that allows people the flexibility to say, if we want to have a stand-up desk, we can have that. There's so many studies that show that the proper way to have ergonomic offices is by being able to stand more, being able to walk around more, and really most of this office is designed around that concept.
We needed some spaces where people could work privately. Using the glass allowed us to keep that open feel and still allow us to close it off a little bit.
We all rely pretty heavily on one another, so not being divided into sort of silos or spaces is really nice because you know that there's distinct teams, but everybody also feels like they're pretty connected to one another.
I'm incredibly proud to say that this is where I work, and I think our employees feel really excited to come to work each day. It is a space of the future, and I think that us as a forward-thinking business, our products are meant to innovate. We work really closely with our clients to make sure that they continue to innovate. And in order to facilitate that innovation and to make us really think about it, we want to have the best work environments we can.
Working with KI at my last institution, working on this project, I knew there were lots of options for us to choose from, but I also knew that they thought the process through quite a bit in their design. So we were able to pick and choose what would work most effectively in different spaces of this office, and they had the right products for that.
We're going to take this new space here in Philadelphia as the jumping off point and the inspiration for creating work environments, whether it be in other offices or even in home offices. And I think that's what we should be doing. That's how good companies operate. That's how good companies ought to operate. And it's certainly how our company is going to operate.